pending. For a Vancouver company, it really is a bug's life. You could say most of their employees are actually some hardworking insects. But as CTV's Scott Hurst explains, these bugs may have found a way to solve a number of global environmental issues.
It might give you the creepy crawlies, but these hardworking guys are helping a local company slither its way to new heights.
It's groundbreaking in the sense that nobody has done it before on a large scale.
These little creatures are the larvae of black soldier flies, and what they're doing is eating waste created by you and me.
We're taking waste food, typically fruits and vegetables, and we're converting that into feed ingredients for animals and plants. This is what it looks like.
It's an appetizing blend.
It smells like a sort of fruit and veggie salsa.
Enterra feed collects old fruits, vegetables, and bread products, basically our waste that was on its way to the landfill. It is then ground up and fed to the larvae. And boy, they're hungry.
So every few hours we have to keep feeding the larvae, and they grow.
They grow, similar to us if we were to gorge for hours on end. Basically, they are now filled with all types of good nutrients. And just before they grow into the soldier fly stage, they're harvested. The larvae that got rid of our waste are now a source of sustainable fish feed.
We're actually mimicking Mother Nature by using an insect species to clean up food waste to produce animal feed ingredients and fertilizer.
That fertilizer, by the way, is the larvae waste.
So it's a completely 100% controlled process, but it is a natural process.
The idea came from David Suzuki, who is a big supporter of this plant that has its roots buried deep in Vancouver.
We're here in Vancouver. We love living in Vancouver, so we started this here in Vancouver.
Enterra is planning a move, though, to the Fraser Valley. The future plant will allow the company to divert more than 100 tons of waste every day, and on the other end, produce more than 6 tons of animal feed and 8 tons of fertilizer. Basically, our trash is treasure for these hungry fellas. Scott Hurst, CTV News, Vancouver.
An interesting idea there. Well, some much-needed good news tonight for Miss Rose. She's the owner of a Langley store that provides wigs for cancer patients. Last September, thieves broke in and